Hey everybody, I just wanted to talk about the Transformers Reproduction sticker kits and things. Um, so I bought entire kits for like Megatron and Soundwave and stuff from Transformers Kingdom, tfkingdom.com, and they make nice entire kits, but the stickers may not stay adhered very well, and you end up using a little super glue under them to kind of adhere. The original stickers, of course, were paper labels, and then there's this China, which is you're going to wait like a month if you order them, but you get these varying sizes: middle, small, medium, large, both Autobot and Decepticon, and they're vinyl under a piece of like tape, and then you got this card back, and they adhere really, really well. So if you're just replacing, these aren't rub signs or anything, but they do make a whole rub sign reproduction as well. So like here's an example with Blaster of a large size one. Okay, and I just went right over the old sticker there. I never even took it off. That's large. This is medium size on side swipe right in the middle of his hood. Wheeljack's top, I got a small size right there. And they go right on. I don't even think I took the old one off under there either. I just went right over it. But, of course, if you want to get all full kit, clean, start over, that's your option too. So like here with the Transformers Kingdom reproduction stickers, I had to adhere them down. After adhering them on, I had to put glue under them. Here, in the middle of this Soundwave's chest, I went with, instead of the reproduction kit one, I went with the China giant Decepticon emblem. I didn't center it perfect when I did it, apparently. But it looks a lot cooler. So kind of taking away from the kit. Otherwise, you'd have, like this one I haven't done anything with, but you got somebody put the little rub sign in the middle, but it's just as good as, size-wise, as having that little thing, which would look like that. I don't know. I think the big one's cooler there. But I also think, you're going to go around and put them on and kind of update the old worn out paper stickers doing it this way. So with Devastator here, I was just going to put a sticker on his chest plate guard. So I thought I'd show you how these work. You want to catch which size you want. So like here I want to do a small one right about there. And you peel up the top layer. Let's see if I can come down here and get one. There. You peel up the layer up top. I'm going to fold this card back out of the way. And then make sure you know which side's up. So when this is on Devastator, it's going to go on like that. And like here we got a lot of little lines. So I cleaned the surface. I didn't use alcohol, but something like it. Push down and get that thing started before you peel away, like that. And then peel off. Okay? And now you can just push down your sticker. So now in the middle of Devastator's chest, I'll have the Decepticon emblem. And that's it. That's all there is to it. When you go using these, you can actually get your technique down where you don't even have to pull the cut or pull the card. You can just stick that one, go to the next one, stick. But anyway, they're really good. So if you're going to be doing any of this stuff, I'm recommending there we go. I'm recommending the, straighten up now, buddy. What did I do here? There. Yeah. The Chinese reproduction emblems, anyway, is what I'm recommending, and they turn out really nice. And they give you a whole range of options then in what you want to do, because you may not, like with that Soundwave, you may not, can you see them there? may not want to go with, you know, the little, wherever it is. Here's the kit that I didn't use. The little one. You may go with a bigger one. So if you're going to do sticker kits entirely, have these as well, because you may modify from the original kit, and with better adherence. I wish I would have had these before I did my Megatron, because these were not sticking well. But it's a nice reproduction kit anyway when you need all the other ones too. All right, have a good day, everybody, and get some stickers.